School course setup, how to launch your first course. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can launch your very own first course in Skool. So let's get into it. So when you first sign up onto Skool, I've already signed up, I already have an account. You can go ahead and sign up using the link in the description below. But once you've signed up, here you're gonna set up your community. You can set up your community by doing all these things right here. There's like a little checklist that you can go ahead and complete. Like set your cover profile, like set your cover image, watch the intro, invite 3 people, write your first post, download the app, right? Then here at the top, you have classrooms. Click on it. And then within the classroom, you can go ahead and create your first course. Within the course, you can create different pages and also folders depending upon what you want. So let's say this is a video editing course, right? I just typed it intro to video editing, but let's say that this is a video editing course, and we can click on edit course and I can actually change it. So I'll go ahead and get rid of that. And here we can go ahead and select the levels and what type of course it is. So open one is going to be, it's available for all members. Then we have level unlock, which is going to be members can unlock at specific levels when they reach certain levels within the course. Then we have buy now, members pay a one-time price to unlock this level. Then we have time unlock, so members can lock it after certain amount of days. And then we have private, so members on a tier can get this. So it totally depends on you which one you want. So let's say that we want to keep it at buy now, and then we set the price. So let's say it's $20. All right, we can set a cover as well, and this is the tier right here. So we'll go with the standard tier, and then you can turn this on to publish it. And when you click on save, you have now posted your very own course right here. Of course, you can create a new course by just simply doing the exact same thing and just adding it out, right? So once you've created the course, open it up. Within the course, you can upload some pages. So this is the first page that I uploaded. This is what you learn, right? And I inputted everything right here. You can mark it as done if you want, but yeah, it looks as simple as that. You create the page, you click on the 3 dots over here and then hit the add page button. If you have a folder, or let's say if you have a certain number of pages you want to, certain number of topics you want to discuss on or create videos on, then you can create a folder, and within that folder you can create videos or pages related to that topic. So for example, let's say I want to create a new folder, and I'm going to name this basics of video editing. Within the basics, I'll go ahead and create pages that are explaining these things right here. So let's go ahead and create a folder, and I'm going to name this folder the basic video editing workflow, and I'm going to click on add. And within this folder, I'm going to create pages that are related to these ones over here. So open up the folder right so, or click on the 3 dots over here and add page within the folder. I'll name it over here as an example, and of course you can upload media over here like codes, images, links over here. You can even add horizontal lines and add videos over here as well. So for example, I'll just add some pages over here. I'll just copy that, click over here, click on the 3 dots, add a page within the folder like so. And of course you can, as I said before, type in whatever you want and whatever images you want, upload whatever photos you want. Everything is going to be available over. So once it's done, then you can come over here onto the calendar, and then you can go ahead and create your first event. So let's say you want to launch your school. So then you can create your own event. Here you're going to type in your launch event, whatever name you want. Select the date, time, duration, and select the location. It's going to be a school call. Then you can upload the images as well. And then you select members over here, or all members, depends on you how many members you want. And we'll select the date 2 a.m. So it's going to be like an hour or an hour and a half, whatever you want. And then you can add the description. What type of event is this going to be? And then you hit the add button, and then boom, you now have a event that's coming along. And then you can create multiple different events for certain days, talking about different topics, Q&As, happy hour, whatever you want. You can go ahead and add those over here. But yeah, coming back to the classroom, creating a course is as simple as, and uploading the media is also pretty simple by clicking on the folder you want. Let's say I wanted to edit this, right? Coming back over here, I wanted to upload photos, click on the image, upload the image. If you want to upload links to videos, click on the links, and over here you can add YouTube links, Loom, Vimeo, Vistia links, or you can just simply drop your own video over here. Once it's uploaded, it'll be available to everyone who is subscribed to that tier and you should be good to go. You can also add other resources as well, like resource link, resource file, transcript, pin comment post. It totally depends on you. And once it's completed, it'll look something like this. So I just opened up this Skool that was available in the first homepage. This is a pickleball school, but once it's completed, it'll look something like this. I have a title over here. All the images and videos are going to be available over here that you can play, and all the other informations are going to be available over here as well. And then down below, you can see all of your other details as well. So once it's ready, this is how it's going to look like. Pretty simple, pretty easy to use. And then here you have your members list as well. So in the members list, you can go ahead and, as I said before, bring out any members you want. So all of the members from your Skool community are going to be here. You can see what they're up to, whether they're online or not, what type of plan they're subscribed to, what type of access do they have, and when did they join. So you can go ahead and manage them over here. If you want to kick someone out, you can kick them out. If you want to invite some, click on the invite button, and then you can click on the invite button over here, copy the link, or you can just add the email addresses over here and send them the invite link via email. It all depends on you. But yeah, it's pretty simple and easy to use. Once you've created everything, it should be good to go. So next, you can just simply come over here into the community section and set up your group by, setting up the cover image, inviting people, writing your first post, and downloading an app. And it's as simple as that. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can set up Skool courses. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.